everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another haul video. And as you read the title and the thumbnail, you already know what this video is all about. It's a sari haul video. Since festive season start ho gayi hai and Durga Puja is coming within a month, I thought of making this sari haul video. I hope it would be helpful for you guys. Some of the sarees are from Meesho and some of the sarees are from Amazon. Both of the brands are great. Meesho से मैं पहले कभी कुछ नहीं खरीदती थी, मतलब बहुत ही रेयरली मैं कुछ एक दो चीज़ें मंगवाती थी. But last time I did a birthday dress haul from Meesho and I loved every product so much. So मुझे थोड़ा confidence मिला कि नहीं चलो ठीक है, मतलब Meesho से order कर सकते हैं, कुछ नहीं होता है, सब करते हैं. And since my own experience was really good last time, so अभी मुझे Meesho से shopping करने में कोई problem नहीं है. मैंने last वो birthday haul video में भी कहा था कि get ready guys, बहुत सारे Meesho hauls आने वाले हैं. So yeah. Oh by the way, if you haven't watched that birthday dress haul from Meesho under ₹500, I will make sure to link it in my description box as usual. You can definitely check it out after you're done watching this video. And with saying all these, now let's get started with today's haul, today's sari haul. I'm super excited to show you guys all the sarees I have got from Meesho and Amazon. Let's start with Meesho. Okay, so the first saree I want to talk about is the one I'm wearing. So it's a sequins handloom saree. That's what it called in the Meesho app, and it is available in so many other color options. मुझे ये पर्टिकुलर कलर बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारी लगती है. When I got it, the price was 391 rupees only, and अभी तो ये और भी cheap हो गई है. It's currently showing 370 rupees. So price always fluctuate होती रहती है. You can definitely check this one out. I swear मुझे नहीं लगा था इसकी quality इतनी अच्छी आएगी. Since the price was very cheap. The next saree I want to talk about is this saree right here. It's a organza saree. I am not really a big fan of organza saree. मुझे दिखने में तो बहुत ही प्यारी लगती है organza sarees, but I don't know. I just feel like it is very unmanageable for me. मुझे ऑलवेज ऐसी सॉफ्ट हैंडलूम वाली साड़ी या तो फिर खादी साड़ी, ऐसे सॉफ्ट कॉटन साड़ी बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. मैं पहनती भी सिर्फ वही साड़ीज हूँ, बट आई कुडंट रेजिस्ट माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम गेटिंग दिस साड़ी बिकॉज इट इज़ सो प्रिटी. इसके साथ ना ये ब्लाउज पीस भी आई थी, बट अभी तो मैंने अभी तक इसे बनाया नहीं है. टाइम तो लगेगा इसे बनाने में. ये बिल्कुल मैचिंग अब इसके साथ पहनोगे ना तो इट विल लुक वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. प्राइस ऑफ दिस साड़ी वॉज 472 रुपीज़ एंड अभी भी सेम ही है इसकी प्राइस 472. इट इज अवेलेबल इन सो मेनी अदर कलर ऑप्शंस एज वेल. यू कैन डेफिनेटली चेक दिस वन आउट. द नेक्स्ट साड़ी आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इज दिस साड़ी. इट्स अ प्लेन वाइट लेस साड़ी. मुझे ना ऐसे सॉलिड कलर की साड़ीज बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारी लगती है, सो आई गॉट इट. यहाँ पे भी कह रहे हैं कि इसके साथ ब्लाउज पीस है, तो आई थिंक इट इज अटैच्ड विद दिस साड़ी. आई हैव टू फिगर दैट आउट लेटर, बट आई डोंट थिंक आई एम गोना वेयर द ब्लाउज पीस का ब्लाउज विद दिस बिकॉज आई लाइक टू वेयर कंट्रास्टिंग कलर्स विद माय सॉलिड साड़ीज दैट लुक्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. सो आई थिंक आई एम गोना स्टाइल इट विद कंट्रास्टिंग डीप कलर्स. सिंस इट्स अ वाइट साड़ी, सब कलर इसके साथ जाएगी, सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट दैट. कोई भी कलर आप उठा लो एक सॉलिड ब्लाउज एंड जस्ट वेयर इट विद दिस साड़ी. द प्राइस इज, कैन यू गेस, इट्स ओनली फॉर 223 रुपीज़. एंड अभी तो सेल चल रही है तो ना इसकी प्राइस और भी ज़्यादा कम दिखा रही है. इट्स ओनली फॉर 209 रुपीज़ विच इज़ सच अ स्टील आई वुड से. बहुत ही मतलब 200 रुपये में साड़ी. गाइज जस्ट गो एंड बाय. ओके, इफ यू लाइक इट जस्ट गो अहेड एंड बाय इट. Okay, before moving ahead with the next sarees, I want to talk about my makeup today. Can you notice any difference? I mean, I can definitely notice some difference. That's because I have applied foundation today. If you know me, then you know this कि I never apply foundation. I don't like to use foundation, but today I did and I am loving the result. I'm loving how the makeup has turned out. It's been ages since I last applied foundation. मुझे याद भी नहीं है मैंने last कब apply की थी foundation. शायद बचपन में एक दो बार apply करी होगी. So the reason I never apply foundation is I always feel like कि foundation makes my skin very dry and very patchy and cakey. It looks too made up, like I'm wearing additional layer on my skin. But the Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation with unique lightweight serum formulation gives my skin 2 times instant glow and perfect coverage that lasts up to 12 hours. Plus, thanks to the goodness of natural ingredients like vitamin C, which brightens up your skin, and turmeric has antioxidant benefits that also helps to take care of your skin radiance and makes it glowing. No matter किस चीज के लिए, किस पर्पस के लिए या फिर किस occasion के लिए आप मेकअप कर रहे हो, the base of your makeup always should be flawless and glowing. Because आपकी मेकअप की बेस ही अगर flawless and glowing ना हो, तो the whole makeup turns out very cakey and patchy, and we don't want that, right? So it is very important कि आपकी base एकदम perfect हो. The new Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation can be used in different everyday situations, like for light coverage when you are going to office or college, medium coverage when you are going for a fun day outing, shopping, brunch or a lunch date, and high coverage for festival, parties or weddings. It matches with your skin tone so well and gives a flawless base, provides perfect even coverage with glowing skin. Mamaearth Foundation comes in 9 unique shades which suits all Indian skin tones. Mamaearth makeup range to be positioned as caring and safe range without compromising on the product performance. Therefore, it can be used every day. It's clinically tested to suit all Indian skin tones, made safe certified and dermatologically tested. All Mamaearth products are free from harmful chemicals and made of all natural ingredients. Mamaearth is a plastic positive Indian brand. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order on their website to a tree that they plant. By 2025, Mamaearth is aiming to plant 1 million trees as a part of this initiative. Use my code PAUL2023 to get it 20% off at their website mamaearth.in and Mamaearth app. Available on Mamaearth, Amazon, Nykaa, Purple, Flipkart and Mamaearth app. Yes, Mamaearth has launched their official app. Users get early access to sales and will get extra discounts. And now Mamaearth products are also available in the stores near you. DM me or you can comment down below the next time you spot a Mamaearth store near you. All the buying links are given in my description box down below. And now back to today's video. So the first saree I have got from Amazon is this lavender colored saree. I know camera पे थोड़ा सा lilac shade की दिखा रही है, but it's not exactly lilac. It's sort of lavender and lilac की mixture. Now it's called Kanjivaram soft cotton linen saree, and I guess इसके साथ भी blouse piece है लिखा हुआ है. शायद साड़ी के साथ ही attached होगा क्योंकि mostly वही होता है. Let's wear it. Again, it is available in so many other color options. You can definitely check this one out. I love this one's quality. It's so good. It's so soft and just it's so beautiful. इसमें अंदर ये paper है ना, इसकी की आवाज़ हो रही है. The price of this saree is only 799 rupees, and 799 के हिसाब से the quality they are providing, the softness, the material they are providing, it's very good. So you can definitely check this one out. Last saree I have got from Amazon is this saree right here. अभी ना ये daisy printed, hand printed sarees बहुत ही चली है. It's very in fashion right now, very in trend right now. So I thought of getting this one, but okay, there is a but, which is the saree I have ordered was in kind of this maroon color, very similar color to this one, but instead of this saree I received this color. I will insert a picture right here or maybe somewhere on the screen. तो आपको दिख रहा होगा मैंने किस कलर की साड़ी मंगवाई थी और मुझे क्या रिसीव हुई है. ये साड़ी अगर पूरी रेड होती ना तो भी मैं मान लेती. एंड ये रेड के साथ ये ग्रीन ना बिल्कुल नहीं जा रही है. सो आई थिंक आई विल एक्सचेंज इट विथ अनदर कलर्ड साड़ी. बहुत सारी कलर ऑप्शंस भी दी हुई है, बट क्वालिटी वगैरह ये सब तो ठीक ही है. लेट्स सी कि पहनने के बाद ये कैसी लग रही है. देन आई विल थिंक अबाउट इट कि मुझे ये एक्सचेंज करनी है या रिटर्न करनी है. The price of this saree is 899 rupees. And And yeah, that's all about this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Please go follow me there to get more of me. Comment down below which saree you like the most, or if you're planning to buy any of these sarees. If you have any video requests, any video suggestion, you can also let me know in the comment section. And with saying all these, I'm ending this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.